Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy NBA League Pass on YouTube TV. So with the help of YouTube TV, you can buy NBA League passes very easily. And in order to do it, you will have to first of all come on YouTube TV. You can view it on your web browser, and you can even follow the same steps via YouTube TV application. So once you are over here, you need to simply log in into your account. Then click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and come in your settings. Now once you are in your settings, you need to make sure that you are on the membership page, and over here on this page it will show you all of the channels that you have with your plan with YouTube TV. Now over here you just have to scroll down a bit and you need to simply try to find NBA League Pass. So it will show you the 7-day free trial here, and after that you need to pay this much amount. So for the entire season you need to pay $49.99, and you can even go monthly. For that you need to pay $16.99 per month. So you can choose any of the subscriptions that you want here. Let's say I want the entire season pass. So you will have to click on the add button here, and then it will redirect you on the payment page, where you just have to simply select your payment method and conclude the payment, and then it will be added with all of the channels that you have on your YouTube TV, and you will be able to get access to it with the help of this section here. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.